When someone is charged with a violation of probation, they come to us and they're very concerned because they know that they might be facing jail or incarceration time. Probation is generally a period of time where a person is supposed to demonstrate that they can comply with court orders and follow court orders and make sure they get through the process. Sometimes things happen. Sometimes life happens where a person finds themselves staring down the barrel of a probation violation. We try and relieve the stress of a person who is facing a probation violation by talking to them about what happened in the process where they're facing this revocation charge. Oftentimes, it's not too late for that person. We might be able to get them back on track with their case. We might be able to intervene with their probation officer and see if we can explore options that keep the person on the right track. Sometimes it's a two-step forward, one-step back approach when you're on probation and you make mistakes. We can help you and protect your interests and make sure that you get through the process as quick as efficiently as possible.
The thing I like most about Russ and Colin is that they're honest and they were open to hear me out without making any judgments. And with that honesty and being trusting to one another, I believe that helped within our communication into when we presented our case to the jury, they were able to see our honesty and truth.
One of the biggest mistakes that a person can make if they're facing a probation violation is they think that they can either ignore the problem and it'll go away, or that they can handle it themselves. Sometimes that's just not the case. In fact, most of the time, that person should pick up the phone and talk to an attorney to make sure that they understand the consequences that they're facing. We're talking about probation violations. You might be talking about jail time. This is serious and you need someone serious on your side. If you're looking for a criminal defense attorney and are trying to figure out what kind of attorney to hire, you need to look at their experience. How long have they been doing this? Are they former prosecutors? I've been practicing law for 21 years, 6 years as a prosecutor. I've been on both sides of the aisle. We know how prosecutors and DAs think. We can use that as a tool to help our clients get through their process and get the best representation they can have.
Colin and Russ, their firm, their staff, they are there for you whenever you need. So even if your questions are met, maybe you have your game plan, if you ever have doubt, they are there to help you and guide you and give you the best experience possible, even during a stressful time.
Sometimes if you're facing a difficult situation, you might want to put your head in the sand. You might want to pretend like it's not happening. This is a mistake. You need immediate representation. You should call someone. At a minimum, have a consultation with a lawyer. We offer free consultations. We can talk to you about your situation and make sure that you make the right moves going forward.